That was your alarm?
Yes, mine.
I slept through my alarm! I've never done that before! Not even as a kid! I've never been late for school or work or anything! I need to get ready! You can go downstairs and make breakfast! Okay? I can't believe it! Where?
All that crying and stuff.
What's all the commotion about?
My blanket's just
Beatrice, wake up. Oh, it's 7 a.m. I gotta go get ready for school. Is breakfast ready? Yes, it is. Go downstairs. I'll wake up the babies.
I can jump on the table and have a dance floor.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta go get ready for school. I'm on the table and I can touch the ceiling very well.
Oh, good breakfast.
We gotta get our stuff ready
I
for
can't do
school. Or let me lift up my bed.
That's my school supply.
Fine.
Time to go to school.
Where's my stuff?
Mom, I'm leaving for school. See you at 3:15.
Put my backpack right here. So, Mom, is
Breakfast is on the table, sweetie.
oh right.
Wait, I don't have my school stuff packed. I need to pack it. I have a lot of school stuff, so I just use this big sock.
Wow. Okay.
I'll need a soccer ball for soccer class. And you never know when you need some money. Oh, I need my soccer stand.
No. That's
Need
right.
my
You eat it.
soccer stand. Oh, where's my soccer stand? There it is. I was trying to find it, kitty.
I'll be late for work. Oh my gosh.
Okay, and I'll secretly bring a toy.
I'm leaving for work.
I'll bring this.
Okay.
Maybe I need to know what time it is.
It's 8:15. You guys are gonna be late for your bus.
I forgot something.
Okay,
I
we're
forgot
going.
something.
I'm going.
I forgot something.
Hey, sis, come on.
You're gonna be late for your bus.
I just forgot something.
Get your backpack on, sis. I'm gonna leave without you.
That's right.
There.
Okay,
All
you
done.
guys can go to school.
Okay, come on. Let's try to be the first one.
Okay.
Or probably not.
Oh, the big giant teddy bear. Oh, wait, that's the driver. We have to get.
We're the first person in that's gonna be in here. We're the first one that's gonna be in here. Oh
You
yeah.
Put your backpack in the backpack stuff.
But I'm wearing my backpack.
Put it in the back. I want to sit at the very back.
Okay, I'll sit next to you.
Meanwhile, I have a but I want to go to school. I want to go to school so badly. Mom. Mom. What's going on? I want to go to school, but I'm cold. Okay, you can stay here. No, I want to go to school. Okay, here's a go get a ball. Here's a little ball so you can go to school if you throw up. That's not a ball. That's nothing. Here's a paintbrush. I'll need a paintbrush. Yes, you need it for our
And
class.
here's the bowl. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, the school bus is here. Bye, Dad.
Go, you have to go.
Uh-oh, there's already something. Have good luck. I'm late for school. I'm late for school. Oh my God, I'm not with you. You're not even close. You're never late for school, Foley. Oh no. He ran away! Come back here this instant. I cannot take any more of this. Hey, where did you go? Missy? Where did you think you went?
Dad, I'm in the school bus.
Dad, who are you?
I'm your...
No, you aren't. Where is my child? Where is she? And I'm serious. Oh, there they both are. I didn't see the other one either, I guess. There's all of them. She went to her friend's house. Okay, all of you kids, get to school on the school bus. And bring your shoes for the class sting. Okay, there's yours, and...
Can you bring our brush? Dad, can you bring our brush?
I'm not your dad, I'm your mom.
Beep, beep, well, the school bus
There you
is leaving.
Okay, no, there's more people. Hey, wait up! School bus! Wait for me!
Wait for us! Wait
for us!
Whoa.
Hey, wait for me! No!
Wait for me! I don't let my friend's house. Whoa. They're coming. Oh, there it is. It's in my backpack.
There's my shoes.
Here, while we're here.
We got to school.
Yay.
This is our stop, not yours.
Roar, roar. I'm a teacher. Where's my class?
Okay, anyway, this is their stop. Okay, we gotta get
Where's my class? Oh my God.
Hey, wait for me.
Okay,
There's more of your class coming.
Oh, wow. Okay. Fully sit down.
You're sort of sitting the wrong way. Did you move the table the wrong way?
Hey, go away.
Move the table back over here. Miss Roars, you gotta move the table. This is your desk. The table goes over here.
I know. Now go in your seat.
Okay, we're going.
Boy, get in your seat.
No, that's getting a drink of water.
Now go then.
Hey, wait for me.
Fully, leave room. Let me go get the other table. I forgot. Okay.
Why do I always fall off the table? People say I have terrible balance. Stop getting your tail feathers in my face.
Stop it, bird. Get away. Get away from me. Yeah, just stay like that. Just stay like that. Now let me get my view desk. Okay. Okay, give me this. Okay.
Meanwhile, back at the house. Okay, the kids are at school. That thing is falling down. Babies have to be eating. Now, is everyone...
Okay, finally. Now I can eat peaceful breakfast. Hey, honey.
Honey, I'm home because I didn't actually have work today. That's why my alarm actually didn't go off. I wasn't late for work.
Oh, yeah. That's perfect.
But I did read the news when I went to my work, and it said that there was a big storm coming. So let's close all the doors and windows. I'll close
Good
that door.
idea. Oh, if there's a big storm coming, we should probably pick up the kids from school a little early.
Oh, yeah.
I'll go pick
It said that the schools were bringing them home in about an hour,
Okay,
which is around when the storm is going to start soon. We gotta... So, yeah.
Is the cat inside? Beatrice doesn't live too far. Mom, I'm home.
You know there's a storm coming, right, honey?
Yes. They said I have to do extra homework just because they let us get out of school early.
Okay. Can you close all the windows upstairs?
Yes. Click, click. Finally, last window.
Uh-oh, they should be home by now. I wonder if the bus got hit by the storm. It might take them a while, or if there's traffic because of it.
Ding.
We're home! Dad, we're home! Dad! I heard about the storm. There's gonna be a huge blizzard.
Yeah. Is the cat
They're
inside?
giving us 3 days off because of it.
Yeah, now we get to go on
Can
the
you
dance
close
floor.
the windows in your room?
Okay. Close it. Is the cat in?
Yeah, I think it's in.
Good, because here comes the storm.
Okay.
I'm going to watch TV.
Watch part 2.